Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to another one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 3 potential altcoins to buy here in the month of June. As we see, we had a little bit of a rally, but we're literally in a kangaroo type situation where we're just bouncing back and forth. One day we're green, the next day we're red, then we have 2 green days, then we have 2 red days, and we end up at the same spot. So literally we're always at the same area, it seems like. Right now, market is up about 1.85%. We have our top gainer here in the past 24 hours, Optimism. Optimism here is up about 35.3%, and that's definitely something that we need right now is some optimism in the market. Bitcoin is trading at around 30,400, up about 2%, 580 billion market cap, 28 billion market or 28 billion volume. Then we have Ethereum here at 1,800. Literally trading flat, 220 billion market cap, 15.8 billion in volume, and altcoins are all over the place. Some of them are up 1 or 2%, some are even up 4%, like Cardano, which is a coin we talked about in yesterday's video, now trading at 59 cents or so, and many of these other altcoins are up 2, 3, or 4% as well. And we do have some outliers like Stellar Lumens, which is up about 8% or so, and obviously we have some red as well. So there's always a potential there. You just have to find which coins are going up and following a certain trend, and what's going on with the rest of the market, obviously. So we always say if large cap coins are up, then mid cap and low cap coins tend to follow that same pattern. Now, crypto bubbles, how is everything looking here in the past 7 days? Well, we're looking green. We're seeing a lot of green here, which is a positive sign. One of the biggest winners here is going to be Waves, which is currently trading at around $10 or so, up about 119% in the past week. We have here another one, Bella Protocol, up over 121%. Voyager, so Voyager token is up over 47.6%, and many of these other coins are up, 30, 40, 50% or so, or even more. And then some of the biggest losers, obviously, the two that we see right there is Luna Classic and then Luna 2.0. They're both down 25% and 61%. And then we have some other red ones here as well. But the market has definitely recovered slightly here over the weekend and into this weekend. Hopefully things continue to stay up. So we're going to be watching Friday what happens with employment report that happens on Friday morning and how that's going to affect the market obviously as well. So that's going to be something very, very interesting, guys. Now, before we get into this content, go ahead and smash that like button for me, guys. Let's aim for 50 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time we do a video. And as always, let's get into it. The first altcoin on this list is going to be Tron, TRX. So TRX is currently up about 3.7%, trading at 8.5 cents. So this coin, doing very well here in the past week, up 6%. Past month, this one is up 23%, hitting lows at one point down here at about 0.0636, so about 6 cents. A little bit more than 6 cents. And then on a 1 year chart, Tron is actually up about 4%, outperforming some of the other coins in the market, with lows down here at around 5.5 cents that we saw. Now here on the all-time chart, obviously this coin's up over 4,000%. But if you would have bought, a year ago or 2 years ago, you're either up a little bit or you're actually down if you bought last year in April time period when this was trading at 15 cents, which is about, double what we're at trading right now, which is about 8 cents. So this coin is currently at an 8 billion market cap. We were trading at 16 billion market cap in the past, but something you guys will notice is actually Tron is climbing up the rankings. So that is a nice thing to see. I mean, who would imagine to see Tron up here, in the top list, top 10 or so right now, which is, beautiful to see. Currently, volume is down actually about 47% at 936.1 million, and the all-time high on this coin was 30 cents back in 2017 into 2018. Now, Tron TRX is a cryptocurrency running on the Tron blockchain. Its goal is to create a decentralized internet. And it's very interesting to me to see this one up here with the big dogs and a slight recovery actually happening here from the lows that it saw in January here in March time period. Meanwhile, the rest of the market has been taking a beating and continues to go lower and lower. So very interesting to see this one move. And I think if we have a bullish type rally in the future again, Tron is definitely going to be one of those rare coins that's going to be making some headlines in my opinion. So that's going to be our first altcoin on the list. Second, we have Stellar Lumens, XLM. So this one is up about 9% here in the past 24 hours, trading at 15 cents in the past week. This one is up 21%. Past month, we're actually down 15%, but we had lows of 10 cents. From that 10 cents area, we're up 50%. And then on the 1 year chart, we're down about 65%. Obviously, on the all-time chart, we're up over 4,870%. But if we take a look here, beginning of last year, we were trading at pretty much the same range, around 15, 20 cents or so. Hit highs at one point at 74 cents, 80 cents right there, and then continue to pull back lower and lower. Currently, we're at a 3.7 billion market cap. Volume is at 213.3 million, down about 12%. 39-day typical hold time, it is ranked at number 18 coin. We have 62% buy activity and 38% sell activity. Now, Stellar Lumens cryptocurrency powers the Stellar payment network. Stellar aims to connect the world's financial system, enabling businesses and developers to take advantage of the network's fast speeds, low transaction costs, and interoperability. So this is definitely another interesting one here. 3.7 billion market cap, like we said, when it was trading up here at the highs. This was trading at close to about 15 to 20 billion market cap, depending on the price range that we're looking at, but definitely has a lot of potential, about a 5x opportunity for this coin in the future when we do see another rally with Stellar Lumens. So this one has definitely been pulled back as well with the market, and we're kind of at a support level. If we break through this support, we're going back to under 10 cents. We already bounced off at that 10 cents area, but if we continue to push lower, it could go down to 8 cents or even lower after that. So that's our second altcoin. And then the third altcoin on this list is going to be DOT, also known as Polkadot. Polkadot is currently up about 4%, trading at $9.81. In the past week, this one's up 9%. Past month, we're down actually 35% with lows of $7. And then on the 1-year chart, Polkadot is down about 63%. Obviously, on the all-time chart here, we're up 263%, looking very nice here from about 2020 down here. Pretty much when the Rona happened and all, this coin started to go higher and higher. We hit highs here at one time in May at $48 or so, pulled back down in 2021 all the way to about $11, and then made a new high in November at $52 or so. And then from that $52, $55 range, we continue to go down lower and lower, about 75-80% from that high. Now we're currently at about 9.7 billion market cap. At one time, we were trading at a 50 billion market cap, so we've definitely lost a lot of our value. Right now, volume is at 465.9 million, which is about 33% lower than usual. 97-day typical hold time, 77% buy activity, 23% sell activity, and is ranked at number 9 coin. Now, Polkadot is a protocol that enables cross-blockchain transfers of any type of data or asset by uniting multiple blockchains. Polkadot aims to achieve high degrees of security and scalability. DOT serves as the protocol's governance token and can be used for staking to secure the network or to connect new chains, obviously. So this one, like we said, about a 400% upside potential to get back to that all-time high area, which would bring us to about a 50 billion market cap. Right now we're kind of bouncing off of this $10 range, which we've previously bounced off of here in July of 2021. It would be actually very interesting to see it bounce off of that same area once again, just like it did last year, and then come back to all-time highs by the end of the year. It would be very interesting, and I would not be surprised. It seems like this pattern seems to happen a lot, except this year we started to trend on lower. Even before the year started, we started to trend down lower in November, December time period. So very, very interesting, guys, as well. Now, let's take a quick look at the rest of the market. So first of all, Ethereum ETH here, it is trading, literally it's almost flat. It's only up about 0.5% today, trading at that 1800 level. We hit highs at one point at 1852, and we've just been bouncing back and forth. Now, in the past week, we are up about 3%. Past month, we're down 35%. 1-year chart, we're still down 36%. And then obviously on the all-time chart, we're doing very well. Like we said, 221.6 billion market cap, 15% or 14% of the crypto market space. Volume is down 23%. 94-day typical hold time on Ethereum. We have 80% buy activity and 20% sell activity currently. We still have a lot of hope, and we believe that this coin in the future will be, at all-time highs once again in the next 5, 10, 15 years. But at the moment, we're looking, beaten down, and we're waiting for that opportunity. Buy opportunity. Could this be the bottom, or could we go even lower? Nobody knows, but there's always opportunities. So Bitcoin is up about 2.5%. Definitely outperforming here compared to Ethereum, like we said. Ethereum is flat. So Bitcoin hit highs up here at around 30,674. In the past week, Bitcoin is actually up 5.5%. Past month, we're down 20%, bouncing off those lows at one point. 1-year chart, we're down 22%, but all-time chart, we're up over 28,000%. Still, looking very, very nice, bouncing off here. Another level, same thing, same pattern from last July. We bounced off around this same level. So I would not be surprised if once again we came back to all-time highs within the next few months, just like we did last year. So that would be very interesting to see if that's going to, occur. 581.7 billion market cap, 38% of the crypto market space. Volume is down 32%. 122-day typical hold time, so you guys can follow that and see that those typical hold times are increasing. That's about a 4-month hold right there. 83% buy activity and 17% sell activity on Bitcoin. Do I believe that Bitcoin will come back to all-time highs at some point? Yeah, I definitely believe so. If I had to make a bet in the next 5, 10, 15, 20 years, I believe that Bitcoin will be a lot higher than we are right now, in my opinion. I would not be surprised to be even at $250,000 per coin, so 250,000, or even potentially higher. So let me know in the comments below your thoughts and comments. As always, smash that like button for me, subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so this is not financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor, do your own due diligence, and make sure you understand what you're getting into. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.